Good morning, Spartans. Today is Tuesday, June 1st, and today is a white schedule day. That's right, I said it's June 1st, which means we have 7 full days and 4 early dismissal days left to go in the school year, so we are going to finish strong. I hope you all had a great Memorial Day weekend. I know the weather wasn't great, but the sun did peak out a little bit for us right at the end yesterday. Okay, let's start off with, please make sure you're checking your email every morning for Mrs. Fornicola. Make sure you're checking all those slides because we have tons of important information as we finish out the school year. Okay, once again, Dr. Stefankowitz put out our weekly report on COVID cases, and once again, it was stellar. We looked great. We got to continue to do the right thing, continue to wear our masks while we're in school. I know a lot of places outside of school allowed you this weekend to not wear a mask, but in school we are still wearing masks. If you're feeling a little under the weather, make sure you're taking care of yourself first. We are seeing the effects of it in our community. Let's continue to go strong all the way to the end of the year. Okay, just a couple things. I sent out a letter on Friday about 8th grade graduation. In that letter, I included a couple flyers about pictures on the field, balloon purchases. We talked about 8th grade celebration. So please make sure that you're reading that letter. Once again, for graduation, June 16th, 2 o'clock, high school football field. Parking will be over at OTES, as we've always done in the past. And we are going to get 4 tickets for outside the outside ceremony. If by chance we have an indoor ceremony because of inclement weather, then we will have to move it to the inside, which we will get 2 tickets, okay? All right, so let me continue on through. Linkit Form C assessment is underway for ELA. It ends at the end of this week, June 3rd, and then we are done with assessments for the year, which is fantastic. On Power School, under daily announcements, we continue to use the daily announcements for our student assistant council referral forms. Any parent, teacher, or student can refer one of our students to Ms. Jaramillo, and we will make sure that our students are seen right away. Okay. Moving on to the world of sports, we have 2 important announcements. Any 8th grade student that is interested in participating in any high school fall sports, we need all medical paperwork to the high school nurse by June 15th. If you have any questions, please make sure that you are, please make sure that you ask Coach DeSemini or our school nurse, okay? Any 8th grade student interested in participating in tryouts for high school fall cheer, please look through the morning announcement slideshow because there's information on that. I believe we also have an announcement about dance. If you want to be a Spartan dancer, please make sure that you are looking at those Google slides as well. Okay, here it is. Any 8th graders interested in auditioning for the Spartan dancers, auditions will be June 8th at 2:30 at the TOIS gymnasium, okay? You need to arrange for your own ride for pickup, okay? But that information should be in the slides as well, okay? And then just to finish everything up, today's quote, motivational quote, comes from Audrey Hepburn, and it simply goes like this: nothing is impossible. In fact, the word itself says, I'm possible. And you know what I think is possible? Us getting through the school year strong. I think like I said, we got 11 days at this point. 11, 12 days, what did I say, 7 and 4? Okay, we got 11 days left, okay? Make sure that we're finishing strong. Make sure that we're students that we're checking in with our teachers. If we have any missed assignments or anything like that, let's finish strong, especially our 8th graders. We don't want to leave anything hanging as we wrap up the school year, okay? And for anybody that's home on remote, please make sure you're checking into your classes on time. Make sure that you're an active participant the whole time. And as always, Spartans, let's make it a great day. Be safe and be well.